We're glad you've enjoyed driving your Honda and that you've decided to lease a new one. The process to return your current vehicle is simple. We'll have you behind the wheel of a brand new Honda in no time. When your vehicle lease is nearing its end, there are just a few easy steps you need to take. First, check out the latest models at automobiles.honda.com or visit your local Honda dealer for a test drive. New models are equipped with the latest technology upgrades for safety, comfort, and convenience. And you get to drive a vehicle that fits your current lifestyle. Then, schedule an appointment to have your vehicle inspected for free 2 months before the lease expires. You can schedule an appointment by calling the SGS National Customer Service Center at 1-800-340-4080 during business hours. Or schedule your inspection online by visiting schedule.sgsauto.com and enter your VIN and HFS account number to start the process. After inspection, you will receive a post-inspection report, which will include a list of any needed repairs. Repairs noted in the inspection report may qualify under the HFS Excess Wear and Use or Damage Waiver. Prior to making any repairs, contact the Lease Maturity Center at 1-800-708-6555 and discuss which damage incidents are covered under the waiver policy. You may qualify for an additional wear and tear waiver. Then return your vehicle to your local Honda dealer by the lease maturity date. As a loyal customer, you can receive the following special Honda loyalty benefits: an extra $500 excess wear and use or damage waiver, up to $1,000 total waived on your current lease, turn-in fee waiver on your current vehicle, security deposit waiver on a new Honda leadership lease. The end of your lease is an exciting time, giving you the opportunity of purchasing or leasing a brand new Honda or Acura and enjoying your worry-free driving experience. And who doesn't love a new car? To learn about all the lease end process and your options, see our library of videos and discover more information at hondafinancialservices.com/leasing/end of lease.